Hell. Oh, go.
Bro, what is this?
Hello. We're gonna
Pick a side.
pick a side. Hey. Revive? Who is this? Who are you? You have no legs. And you have no head. And what do you have? Life. You're gonna dead. Red. They are so strong. Lakas nila. Pick more sides to see who you handle. Kumakit ako. Ewan ko bakit. Always disappointed people. Always.
We are saying.
Someone pick this.
What's this? Sweater.
Wait.
Wow, my.
Yes! We can defeat this. Come on! Defeat! Last one, go! Yay!
Yeah, we repeat.
Yes! Nanalo tayo. Nakabili ka na nito. Dito na ako sa Claymore. Live in a castle owner. Mas mamamatay pa tayo sa yacht boat kasi yun, so castle.
Look, my man.
Bakit kasi nila yacht? Baka kasi may shark.
I don't.
Hey! Stop shooting! Everybody! Yep, you're gonna die. Oh! Katana.
You like a tennis?
Yes. Play soccer, play football.
I like soccer because the football, your eyes gonna.
Magkapares din yun eh, yung football ta
But
soccer.
I don't like.
Put, dito. Iano mo, ta soccer, magkapares lang yun.
Yeah.
Football. What the? No! Maghahatakan tayo. Girl, you can do this without anyone. Air! Girl, you can do this. Girl, please. Let us win. Girl. Before you die, subscribe to Jean. We're counting on you. Ooh, doo, doo. Whoa.
I don't like this game.
Walang mawi-winner. Yes! Red win. Yan ang mas maganda. Have no friends, have no family.
No.
Have no friends.
There was a hacker. She's...
Okay, wag ka na mag-English.
Sinulang ako ng hacker. Dito sa hotdog. Recipe pa lang ako.
Have no friends. Why do you don't like your family?
Yeah.
Bad kayo. You berries. Even you. That's what you get. Let's go. Yes. Jump. Play volleyball.
Yeah, that's my favorite game.
Basket.
No. Volleyball.
Basket.
Volleyball.
Go basket.
Go volleyball.
Kahit hindi ako naglalaro ng basketball at volleyball, pipili ako basket. Hey! That's cheating! Ang lakas! Cheating! Wow! Don't thunder. Get away from me. What?
Oh my God, I'm dead. No.
Go today! Kahit konti kami. Have 1,000-year life, have 10 100-year lives.
I picked the red. I picked the red. I picked the red. I picked the red. Joke, I picked the red. Joke. I picked the red.
Yes!
Because we need the light.
We need a light! We need a light!
Oh, I did. Last one. Who killed that? Bro, don't AFK.
Special round.
Don't AFK kill that boy. He's safe. What the? What the? I don't like this game. Bruh. Ugly.
Leave muna tayo.
Let's leave.
Punta tayo sa Google. So, kaya pupunta tayo sa Google. Sulat nyo, if you're a girl, sulat nyo girl. If you're a boy, search the boy. Pili lang kayo ng damit that you like.
And pick.
Ganitong photo. Ganyan. So, pipili ako, eto. Yan. So, pindutin nyo tapos pindutin nyo, pindutin nyo download image. Pag na-download, punta sa gallery. Keep family. Punta sa family. Yan, nakuha nyo. So, pupunta tayo sa Roblox ulit.
Okay. So, go in create.
Pumunta tayo sa crate sa
Yeah.
gitna.
So, pinutin nyo to.
Pindutin nyo yung home sa gilid.
Tapos,
Creations.
creation, I mean.
Tapos, Avatar
Avatar
and
and
Classics.
And
Tapos, upload access. Tapos, nandito ka sa, pindutin mo yung upload. Pipili ka lang dyan. Sa akin, files. Hanapin mo yung pinili mo sa Google. Ayan.
Tapos,
Tas, i-description na lang kahit ano. Oh, wait lang.
Paulit.
Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, search nyo dito. Oh my goodness.
Kahit ano lagyan nyo dyan, pwede.
Yes, tas upload. Pag in-upload nyo, maghintay. Yan, nandito na. Ako kuha nyo na sa.
Wait lang, punta lang sa isang account.
Tapos, pumunta kayo sa avatar items
Saka
nyo.
sa customize. And go to clothes. And
Loading.
clothing pala. Tapos classic t-shirt. T-shirt.
Boom. Meron na kayo ng bago. Hindi nyo lang makita. Wait lang.
Wait, buksan ko lang isang account.
Ayan. Alisin ko. Kakabitin ko. Boom. Boom. Pwede. Search nyo yung pangalan nyo sa comments. Tapos, i-rate ko yung outfits nyo. Dito. Pang ganito. So, ilagay nyo yung pangalan nyo sa Roblox. Ayun lang. Ito muna yung the end. Thank you.
At
Bye!